What is up, everybody? It's your boy Kevin Smiley. Welcome back to Kevin 82 TV, your positive car culture channel. Today, as you can see in the title, we're going to be reviewing the EBC Yellow Stuff brake pads. That's right. So I got them installed on my 2014 Hyundai Genesis Coupe 3.8 Ultimate manual transmission. Genesis Coupe app, but you guys know the deal. So yeah, I got them installed front and rear on this car, and I'm gonna tell you right off the bat, they're amazing. I'm gonna show you where they shine, where they're really good at it. It's actually a learning curve when you're driving with these brake pads, dude. So we're gonna jump into it and get started. All right, so I got them installed on this one, this bad boy right here. But first, before we even get started, I'm gonna show you something that made my heart drop when I received these. When I received these, if you look at the part number and the title it's under, see what it says? It says Chevy Lumina. I'm like, wait, did I get the wrong brake pads when I received these? I ordered them from 3.8 Performance. I'm gonna link down below in the description. You can get these. And it's funny, the way Lotus is free, and then the Chevy Lumina, dude, it's weird. I guess we have the exact same type of brake pads, whatever. But yeah, they're a little pricey than regular brake pads, but are they worth the money? Well, I guess we'll find out. So, car's a little dirty. I apologize, whatever. But yeah, as you can see, you can actually see the yellow stuff. It's actually yellow brake pads or whatever. I did a small little tip about these, and I put it on the channel. It's in form of YouTube, not a reel, what do they call them, shorts, YouTube shorts. So you guys might have seen, you can scroll through. I'm gonna put the link to that YouTube short. It's literally like a 30-second clip of me telling you that when you go to install these, it's gonna feel like they don't fit, and don't panic. Because I started panicking and I found out, okay, I just need to shave a little bit of the paint off the sides of them for them to slide right in nice and easy. Oh, that's what she said. But yeah, dude, enough of the jibber jabber. We're gonna hit the road and get started, and I'm gonna show you where they're good at and where don't expect for them to be too crazy at higher speeds and lower speed brake pads, meaning they bite really good down low, but up high, they're not going to perform as crazy as you expect them to. They're still going to do their job and do well. But yeah, we're going to talk more about it. Let's get into the car and talk more about it. All right, you guys, get it started off. Of course, we got to accelerate a little bit. Say there's a car coming, you need to, it slows down fast. I'm going to tell you something. These brake pads, they help you out in a pinch. When it comes to lower city speeds, you got to get used to the brake pressure, how much pressure you apply compared to your old brake pads. So like you're coming up to a stop sign, you don't realize it says stop, hit the brake pads. I literally stopped early just now, dude. It's literally like people look at me crazy because they're like, what the heck is this guy doing? Why did he stop so hard? But yeah, so coming up, so like 40, then I'll brake. See that? They stop hard. People keep looking at me like, what's going on? What did he almost hit? Okay, yellow light, 40. See? They stop in a pinch, lower speeds. But I'm gonna tell you something. They're one part of the puzzle, meaning, so the brake pads are the beginning. Getting drilled or slotted rotors will be the next step. Getting braided lines will be another step. So this is the first step in getting the perfect brake system, but they're good for daily driving. Like as I showed you, they stop pretty fast. They stop ahead of what I expected them to stop at, you know what I mean? So it gives me a lot of bumper room. And you're able to slow down and not get too close to the cars in front of you, you know? Like in daily traffic and whatnot, when people catch, God forbid, just be careful, people catch you by surprise when they brake early, you know what I mean? Or they brake check or whatever. Having the Brimbles, which my car is equipped with, the Brimbles, and the combination of Brimbles and these brake pads are a good combination, dude, as far as daily driving and just being safe, period. as far as taking it to the track, whatever I experienced is I was doing a little spirited driving, and I had to stop really quick. It stopped, but it didn't feel as confidence inspiring on the top end. So you might want to be careful. Don't be doing nothing too crazy in Mexico, like speeds, you know, of course in Mexico, speeds above 120, and then hitting these brake pads and expecting them to stop you right away. Nah, you're gonna need the other elements that I named, you know what I mean? The braided lines would be good, and the drilled and slotted rotors, you know? But the brake pads do their job more, a lot better lower speeds, if that makes sense or whatever. So, I mean, as you can see, the test that I've been doing, Jesus Christ, it stops really fast, dude. Yeah, this thing's too much fun. Slow down. You can hear the like, you got to be careful if you're driving spiritedly, because there's only so much these brake pads will do. But are they good? Yes, they are. I've showed you. I've had real life tests where crap happens and you're not expecting it, and these brake pads have saved this car many a times, dude. I've had them for about over a couple months now, whatever. So yeah, they've been tested. Coming up to a red light, need to stop real quick. See? And the funny thing is, when I first had them, it was a learning experience to get used to them, because I would brake too early, if that makes sense. Like, I would come up and I would just be like, and it was like, oh snap, oh my bad, you know. And I kept doing that. I had to relearn how to brake in this car. It's pretty crazy to say that, but yeah. Coming up to a stop sign, 40, 20, see? So it's like, say if you're not saying you should be not paying attention while driving, but say some crap comes out, like a dog or something jumps in front of you, you got to stop. Oh, you're equipped now with these, man. You're guaranteed. So make sure you go to 3.8performance.com, support my people at 3.8 Performance, and order yours today, dude. I really recommend it, dude. They really help, dude, because adding power to the car, everyone tells you, but not everyone listens. Adding power to the car is only one part, dude. You got to be able to stop. Going fast is fun. Not being able to stop on going fast is not fun, dude. So definitely put this on your list of mods that you need to get done, dude. So not everything's a go fast part, people. You got to be able to stop fast too. So yeah, that's gonna be it. Let's wrap it up. They don't smell too bad. I don't smell as bad as the other ones when I used to do spirited driving. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, dude. I'm gonna tell you one thing, dude. These brake pads are a must-have. But yeah, dude, I'm telling you guys, dude, first step in a proper braking system, dude, you get these brake pads. They're one of the easiest steps, whatever. Just replace the pads. You're gonna have to replace your pads anyway. Always replace your brakes on time. Braided lines and drilled and slotted rotors are next on my list as far as the system or whatever. So I just did the brake pads for now, and I just did a small review. So I did these brake pads because they were personally suggested by the late great Dustin Davis. I asked him back in the day, dude, brake pads, which one of the best? He said EBC Yellow stuff, hands down, and he put them on his website after letting me know that, whatever. So that was a long time ago, dude. So yeah, anything this man would suggest, I took his word for it, and I haven't regretted a single suggestion he has given me. So I'm passing it on to you guys, dude. So get your braking system together, so when you're adding a whole lot of power, you can stop fast too, dude. Be safe out there, people. Have fun, but be safe, dude. So yeah, that's gonna be it. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed the content, notification bell, support the channel, check out my merch, Positive Car Culture brand. follow on Instagram. Keep up to date with the new merch lines that I'm currently working on. I have the first one, which is the one dedicated to the channel Kevlar 82 TV, but I have some more stuff for you Genesis Coupe guys, and positive car culture as a whole is going to be a big thing. So you guys get on board with me now, dude, so you can be part of the beginning, you know, and everything. Get to see it grow and get yourself some fly gear, of course, you know. So yeah, just remember, as I say at the end of all my videos, always see the glass half full, not half empty. Stay blessed, stay safe, and remember, legends live forever. Rest easy, Dustin Davis. Rest easy, my friend. Peace.